So this video is going to go over how to start or finish, depending on where you got to in class, your Communication one-pager. So I'm under Thursday on your weekly schedule. This is an example. You have an email of this document or one like it in your inbox from me, so you'll go to be able to edit it and make it your own. You'll just need to open it up, go to File, make a copy, and then rename it, whatever name is going to work for you to remember. And the idea is to keep this template right here so that you'll know, okay, that's right, like a teacher's email and then the virtual platform we're using. So how are you virtually getting your information in school and at home? Is it Google Classroom, Bitmoji, Canvas, etc., etc. Attendance, where do you need to do attendance for this specific class? I know we're all doing different things and it can be a lot to keep track of. And for where do you specifically find your remote work? So this is a combination of multiple student schedules, but their example would be one of their classes is 9th Grade Academy with me. My email is right here. The Bitmoji Classroom is linked in, so you've typed in Bitmoji Classroom, but then they've also put a link into it. There is a Google form in the globe clock linked above my head, which is where my 9th Grade Academy students need to do attendance. And then you find remote work in your weekly green schedule, so that is linked in right here as well. To link things in, like this weekly schedule or the Bitmoji Classroom, there's a video right here that says watch this video that goes over how to insert links and hyperlinks. That will probably be something that is helpful for you if you want to use this document as like a one-stop shop for how to find things, because there is a lot to remember, there is a lot to do, and a lot to balance. So we're trying to set up systems for you that might work that will help you have an easier time with that balance and that time management. Another class that one of my students had was Intro to Guitar with Frapp. So here's his email. He's using Google Classroom. He does attendance through a Google form, and the student bookmarked it up here in their web browser, so they bookmarked it and they can find it here or somewhere else. He posts the remote work in Google Classroom. If you have English 9 with Miss Holt, here's her email. She's using Canvas. She posts an attendance form in Canvas, and she posts the remote work right on Canvas. Health with Miss Kuntz also has a Bitmoji Classroom. If you are doing that, you could link in your Health Bitmoji Classroom right here. She has a Google form linked in her Bitmoji Classroom. She has the weekly schedule, the same setup as 9th Grade Academy. You could highlight this, and on your Chromebooks, you will hold down the Control key and then tap the K. So I just did that on mine. So the text where it shows up is weekly schedule, and then you would put your link in right there. That is kind of the overview of the Communication one-pager. In your weekly schedule, it's linked under Thursday. There's a video that goes over more specifically how to insert links. So those are your two tasks for Thursday, and then on Friday your task is to make sure that your portfolio is up to date for 9th Grade Academy. Here is a link to my example portfolio. It has entries for everything that you should have in yours. So open this up if you're not sure, scroll down, look at all of the different entries, and then if you need to have an entry space for all of these, so make one. If you have done the work or done the assignment, link it in there. I don't have links in all of these, but there are spots for it. So your task on Friday is to make sure that your digital portfolio is up to date. So overview of remote work, specific overview of the Communication one-pager to help us stay a little bit more organized.